Hey guys, the team at Giraffe 360 just sent me this Giraffe Go Cam. They want me to test it out, give an honest review, and give them some feedback if I think anything needs to be improved. I am looking forward to checking this out. 360 Go Cam is not only scans homes similar to a Matterport, but it also takes pictures. If it does what it says, I'm gonna be sending my wife out to take pictures and doing some scans. So let's get it unboxed. The Giraffe 360 comes all the way from Latvia, which was pretty cool to see it get here in 2 days. So after that 2 days, you get this box, plus they send a separate box with the tripod. First of all, you get, hello, I'm your camera bag, just in case you didn't know what was in here. Kind of funny. Comes with a shoulder strap and then the case. So that's pretty nice. We'll just set that off to the side. Good case. This here is for your tripod when you're carrying this around to hold your tripod in. And then you got a front pouch with a couple side mesh pouches to put extra things in while you're carrying it around. Inside the pouch you have quick start guide and a lot of lens cleaners. That's nice. So let's open up the inside. Holy cow. All right, that's pretty cool. So this thing is bigger than I was expecting. I thought it was gonna be about half this size. I kind of was expecting it to look more like the Ricoh Theta size or X3, X4 size camera. This is actually pretty good sized. That is neat. And then a charger. That's everything except for the tripod. Let's get the tripod out. All right, so the tripod feels pretty good. Has a nice soft legs, pretty light, so it's easy to carry around. And it has an adjustable base for narrow areas or anything like that. When you first sign up, do the Giraffe, get the Giraffe, you have the option to talk to somebody or do video tutorials. And when I was talking to somebody, they said the suggested height for the tripod is just one leg out. All right, so we got this set up, and on the top here actually, where it has an image to show you how to put the camera on the tripod. So basically you just take this Giraffe. Look, I have not read the quick start guide yet. I just wanted to see how easy it was, how intuitive it is to use. And just like that, it is attached. That's pretty cool. It just like a magnet, magnetized it right on there. That is pretty nifty. And then I saw, so it has a little unlock right there with an arrow. It's like a magnet on there. So nice. So this bottom just releases. You just turn it to unlock, it pops right off, real easy. And there is some connections down here, so it knows when it's on top of that tripod. Not that you could attach it to any other kind of tripod, but these are working together, I am sure. So let's see how easy that is again. There we go, yeah. Seamless, it goes on. All right, so then we have the power button, and I'm guessing that is for the charger. And let's just click it, see what it does. All right, 90% charged. That's pretty good, but it didn't do anything. Let me hold the power button. I'm assuming I have to hold it down for a little bit. Oh, look at that. Hold it down, and then that line went across. That pops out and says you can adjust it by hand. That was a pretty good position as it is already. But as you can see, it is ready to capture. So that's the Giraffe 360 unboxed, and it's ready to go out of the box, which is pretty awesome. If you're interested to see this working in a house, the process, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. So when I post the next video of us testing it out in a house, you'll get notified. Have a great day. We're gonna go take this right now and see how it works.